Hi everyone and welcome back to Tech Calling. Today we'll be talking about Samsung Galaxy M32. Before we dive right into the video, let's take a look at smartphones. Smartphone through the years has been evolving and are becoming smarter and smarter by the day till it has reached our generation to take the smartness even further. Before we look into the video, I want to say thank you to those who have been watching my videos and be looking through them. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button because most of you haven't subscribed. Thanks you, and let's start today's video. So talking about the highlights of the phone comes with a 60 Hz refresh rate, full HD plus AMOLED display, 6000 mAh battery, 64 megapixel quad camera, 6.4 inch display and 20 megapixel front selfie camera. Looking at the main specification or features of the phone, the Samsung Galaxy M32 comes in two colors options. We have the black and blue, plus a 20 megapixel selfie camera, 6.4 inch full HD plus super AMOLED display, 90 Hz refresh rate. Taking a look at the phone, one will not think if this phone will be strong enough for our day-to-day use. But guess what? This phone comes with a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, or the 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. You choose the one that is compatible for you. Thus, this device is packed with a 6000 mAh battery that is backed up by a 15 watts fast charging. Plus, the M32 will not support 5G. Let's take a look at the rear camera of the phone since we have mentioned the selfie camera already. It comes with a 64 megapixel mirrorless, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel depth camera. The good side of the phone is that it runs on Android 11. It has a side mounted fingerprint sensor and of course a big battery. This is all for the Samsung Galaxy M32. Thanks for staying till the end of this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Drop a comment if you like or dislike the video, but don't forget to like and dislike the video, and hit the like and dislike button if you love or dislike the video. This is all for the Galaxy M32. We see you on the next one. Please hit the subscribe button and try to promote us